Hey, what's up, guys? It's Tech, and it's 6:23 p.m. on the 15th, Thursday. And guys, the Bulls are back in the market. The Bulls are back. Okay, everything is green. Almost everything. But just about everything is green. Chinese New Year's, Year of the Dog is now. And we are back bullish. All right, the money's coming back into the market. We're almost at $500 billion in market cap. And guys, everything is looking ready to rock. So I've noticed something in my bot. I've noticed that Bitcoin is rising with many of the other coins at the same time, except for this one, because this is a big pump and dump. I hope nobody was a victim of this one. But Bitcoin seems to be rising along with all of the alts as well, which is kind of counterintuitive, because it used to be that the Bitcoin price would go up and alts would go down. And when alts would go up, Bitcoin would go down. So the market is changing. It's a lot different than it has been. And that's only because it's evolving. Alright, we have more coins. A lot of different things are going on in terms of regulation, in terms of adoption. Alright, it's gaining notability. People are seeing it more. It's gaining visibility. And so things in cryptocurrency are revising, but they're also going forward. Now, a great thing that I've seen on YouTube is that these scammers have scattered like roaches. All right. And the Warren Buffett quote of, when the tide goes out, you see who's naked. Well, that's definitely true and applies right now, because there's a lot of naked people out there, and they have pretty much scattered away and disappeared. A lot of them have. So the market is cleaning up, and we're seeing bullish action now as it broke through $10,000. And right after this, there's no telling where we're going next, because that was the resistance. And even though we're hovering around 10,000, it went up quickly. So alright, so a lot of these coins are good ones to get in. I really don't recommend buying and holding, but if you really do not want to get involved in the market, get down in the weeds, so to speak, and you really don't want to learn about trading, you really don't want to run bots, buying and holding will be, I guess that will be your strategy. But there's definitely much better strategies out there. Much better, much more profitable. Since we're dealing with cryptocurrencies, it's very similar to the Forex market, so there's a lot of money to be made in trading. And the crypto bot is actually having up to 50% off for Gunbot. Alright, so for 0.056 BTC, you can choose one market, and I recommend Binance because that has the most volume. If you do buy the Gunbot, I recommend Binance. Okay, that exchange has the most volume. But if you have to go to this one, get the all markets included TradingView add-on, which I have, is 80% off. So it's 0.106 BTC, and this comes with all these exchanges. Now, the advantage that Bittrex has and Poloniex has over Binance is that, and these other exchanges, is that the crap coins that are out there get delisted from Bittrex. All right, and so the volume is more evenly distributed, and you don't have to worry about bags as much because the volume is very consistent throughout the whole exchange. Whereas Binance, you run the risk of catching bags and pump and dumps because there's a lot of junk coins on there and they have little to no volume, and people see that as an opportunity to pump them, and they try to pump and dump. So you can avoid that by modifying your settings. It's really not that difficult, but it's still something you have to be cognizant of if you want to get involved. And this is purchasable in the link below. All right, it's in the trading bots and taxes link, and you just click the crypto bot button. It'll take you right over here to the crypto bot. And you can join the Telegram group. They have support there, and also the forum. So there's plenty of help if you're very confused and need help in setting this up, and you need scripts and strategies. The Telegram and the forum will definitely help you. So if you're interested in passive income, I definitely recommend you getting a bot. All right, there's really no shortcuts anymore. All right, no shortcuts. There's no viable, quote unquote, viable hypes or lending platforms. It's really trading and buying good ICOs, and that's it really. So if you really want to get into crypto and you really want to make money in this thing, you're gonna have to make a decision whether you want to actually put in the work, buy a bot, pay attention to undervalued coins, ICOs, and the like. So as the market goes up in price and total market cap, we're going to start to see most of the market and most of the coins already in the market go up in price. And with that comes less profitability. All right. So unless you're in the ground floor on these coins, then you miss out on profitability. So the best way to get in, obviously, is in the token sale period. So I updated the page, and these are the ones I recommend now. Some are finished. Scorm is finished. Ethereum, a lot of the other ones are finished, and these are the ones I recommend now. All right, Ice Rock Mining, Miner 1, 2 mining companies. All right, Miner 1 is actually rated higher, but Ice Rock Mining actually has a better price model. They have cheaper electricity. They have a contract for cheaper electricity, so this one may end up being more profitable. Nonetheless, both options, Bankera, all right, crypto bank payment gateway. You buy it on SpectralCoin. So if you click this link here, you go to SpectralCoin. That's how you get Bankera. Tokia is going to be a commission-free exchange payment gateway, and also we'll have index funds for crypto. CoinLoan, all right, a true lending platform or lending company where you actually can lend your crypto to others and get paid interest. All right, not crazy interest, but like 5% a month or 5% a loan term. All right, Block Mesh. This one's going to be big, guys. Block Mesh is going to be massive. All right, Transcodium, The Abyss, and Scraps, which is going to be like acorns for crypto. And there's already an app out there like that, but it's very glitchy and buggy, and I don't actually use it. All right, so I definitely recommend Scraps. So guys, this year, 2018, is going to be unbelievable for crypto. It's going to be so profitable. This is going to probably be one of the most profitable years in crypto ever, because we're on the cusp of mass adoption. All right, we are on the cusp of mass adoption. It's almost here. All right, we see Bitcoin in the news, and even though some of it's negative news, it's still news. So the more the impression of Bitcoin gets pressed into the minds, basically baked into the minds of the public, the better it is, and the more comfortable people will be with the idea of Bitcoin. And then comes mass adoption. All right, so with everything, there's a first impression brings about, a repulsion or rejection. Then comes acceptance, and then comes adoption. That's how things work. And we are almost there with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And when that happens, guys, the money is just going to start pouring in. And if you didn't get into a lot of these early, all right, if you're not in Electronium, you're not in Storica, you don't have IOTA, you don't have Verge, you don't have, EOS, you don't have a lot of these coins now, you're going to regret it later on. And this is the early adoption phase for these ICOs that I'm mentioning. So, guys, check all these out. Please check all these out. Definitely participate. Contribute. Get your feet wet. Get into the game. Get into the game. That's all I can say. Because I've said this many times. If you don't get in, you're going to regret not getting in now. And you're going to see at the next crypto conference, when all the Lamborghinis pull up and all the, Bentleys, the Wraiths pull up, and all these luxury vehicles, all these people who got into crypto early and got into ICOs early, and you're going to get FOMO, and it's going to be too late. So you got to get involved, guys. All right? Take care, good luck, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.